Hi guys, Mike from Kokoda Caravans, out in the factory again. We want to go through brakes and the wiring of brakes, ESCs, A-frames and so on and so forth. So let's talk about what most of you will see under a caravan when you have a close look at the brake connection. A lot of the time it's a screw connector. This is used in domestic scenarios. As you can see, no actual protection of the wiring. Normal sort of wire, that there's no actual protection on that wire. What happens here is water getting in there will make this connection corrode, and the corrosion actually flows up the cable. So on this caravan, we've got 4 brakes, it's a 3.5 ton, so all are brakes, all wheels are brakes. So say this one has a connection issue and it's corroding. This one doesn't, this one does, and this one doesn't. What we're going to see is this is going to upset your van. You're going to have different braking pressures because of the corrosion in the cable. So it's legitimate that this is not the way to do it. It's not protected. It's not a suitable connection for your brakes, which is so important for yourself, your family, and the people you care about. So now I want to talk about what we're doing different. So how are we applying good principles to building a caravan to make sure that your family is safe? We start with a wiring loom from the front of the caravan. We've all got a trailer in our life at times that has a really poor connection here, always pulling out, problems inside the wiring, Anderson's not fitted off properly, and in general, issues with the A-frame loom. What we've got here is something that's made external. This is a contractor or supply chain that makes them. This is their profession. They make wiring looms. They don't make caravans, they make wiring looms. When we take this, it has everything we need. It's made specifically to the ranges of caravans that we have, and it's inclusive of everything you're going to need. The breakaway's included, professionally wired in. The plug is wired to a standard QA checked green. This comes to us and we apply this to the caravan. We pull it from the A-frame all the way up. Some of these wires, like indicators, green and yellow, go up into the walls or into your caravan, come out to finish your side markers and all that sort of stuff. Wired, one continuous wire front to back. At the front here, we also have a connection that comes into our brake loom, which is this. Our brake loom is protected. So this sheathing over the outside is like a protective wrap. It really helps with abrasion. So when it would be sitting on the chassis at any time and would be abrasion against that, this is what it's there to protect. Inside that is the same wiring. We've just added another layer of protection to your wiring. Again, so important because that's the voltage at the brakes is what makes that brake apply the right amount. The next thing to talk about is the connections. So in the wiring loom, we've got what we call a Deutsch connection. So as you can see, 2 pins, rubber, and these connections click together. This is what they use in automotive. It's extremely stable. The other one that we have is the ESC. So every loom comes with an ESC wiring in so that we can apply that. We don't have to pull apart the brake loom to apply an ESC. So, you know, the highest standard that you can get, which is cool. So if we follow the wiring coming down, we're coming through the chassis where we can. As you can see, we're actually fixed the ESC one here. We're coming through, we're using P-clips, plastic P-clips to retain the wiring back against the chassis so nothing's loose, nothing hanging down. As you can see here, we're coming out, running down. On the outside of the Tough Ride suspension, we've got this tube. The wire runs down the tube and comes out through this proper hole. We cable tie that wire in so that it can't get too long. The chassis manufacturers supply this chassis with the Deutsch plug fitted. So our guys just need to snap fittings, run the wires in the appropriate areas and retain it back and make sure that it's good and safe. I really like these Deutsch connectors. What standard have we applied here? This is what's used in automotive all over. This is impervious to water, dust, and it can actually take impact. So if you think about where those connections are in your caravan, right beside the wheels, the front wheels are sending rocks back towards these connections. These are a really good chance of withstanding some pretty bad abuse, particularly gravel, rock, and all that sort of stuff that come off your wheels. So yeah, this is the first part of Kokoda's rolling out of looms. It's important to customers that the brakes work correctly and efficiently and can withstand the environments that we're going to take them into, whether that be gravel roads, submersion in water, gravel rash from the wheels and the likes. So thank you very much for your time. Again, our great big factory where we build all our vans. Happy days.